Lamdam asigi Loumee Singda Chanan Thahanduna Sel-Thum gi Phivam phagat-hannaba matamga chunaba Lousing Loumee meeyam Leihanba Mathou Tai haina Central Agricultural University gi Vice Chancellor Dr. Anupam Mishra na phongdorakli. Wafam asing lampel pata leiba ICAR Research Complex for NES Region Manipuri Center na sinduna mainstreaming millets for food and nutritional security haibihiramda pangtokpa nongmagi oiba workshop kam exhibition gi thoramda mahangna phongdokhibani. ICAR Research Complex asigi Loktal Farmers Hostel da pangtokpa thoram aduda Dr. Anupam Mishra na hai Chanan ase Manipur thabada yamna chunaba amadi apaba makhalgi millets phangba maramna Loumee Singda akhanaba training piduna mapung phaba skill Leihanba Mathou Tai Chanan Thahanduna Loumee Singgi Sel-Thum gi Phivam hena phagat-hannaba puthokadoriba pothok sing adu apaba makhal ohenbaga loinana marang kaina puthokpagi tangai fadaba lei puthokliba pothok sing adu marketing gi awaba leihandanaba network support system haudoktuna national level da mapung phana paikhatpagi tangai fadaba lei hainasu Dr. Anupam Mishra na makata na phongdokhi thoramadu da Manipur Lengaki Agriculture Department ki director Ningthozam Gojendro ICAR Research Complex for NES Region ki director Dr. Vinay Kumar Mishra amadi ICAR Manipur Center ki SORC Dr. Ramgopal Lahana Chingba Maruoiba Myoy Kyana Saruyaki.
Some promotion policy at national level, not in we can export also, formulate one strategy and highlight our product at national level also. No, we are also doing it as a not in Manipur as a region as a whole. Our some Arunachal people, some Meghalaya people, they are doing it. So we have to link all those things because for business we need some quantity, quality and continuity. For that purpose we have to link all those states, bring them in one platform.